saw the future, said to me that they had plans. All it took was just 1 second and the stage began to dance. But in one move, the whole wide world.
This video you have seen has been created with Premiere Pro for video editing and After Effects for all these superb visual effects you have seen. The footage is from editstock.com. You can go over there and buy it if you like and do the project. It is a very advanced project. I surely hope you will get there, but let's start step by step. In this section, guys, you will start from Premiere Pro. Usually, it's from Premiere that you video edit your footage and then dynamically link to After Effects to add motion graphics, visual effects, and maybe advanced transitions. To get the best learning experience, please watch the lectures in 1080p, high HD, and in full screen. I will take you through the process step by step. The first thing to do is open Premiere, create a project, add a sequence, and populate with the videos you have downloaded. We'll do that just in the next lecture. You will then learn how to create an After Effects composition from within Premiere Pro and establish the dynamic link. I have divided this for you in 2 lectures to make it easy and practical for you to follow along. You will then study how to import After Effects composition, because most of the time you will be creating motion graphics such as lower thirds, titles, and maybe transitions, graphical transitions in After Effects. Then from within Premiere Pro, you will want to import these After Effects comps and add them to your timeline. From Premiere, you can select adjacent clips and replace them with an After Effects composition. This practice is very common. There is lots of power when you start adding visual effects. You see this in many movies, even the clip that you have seen just a few seconds ago. So please have lots of fun and use your imagination to start noticing the immense possibilities. See you in the next lecture.